Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva's house. In this video, I'm going to be making another waist bead shaper. This is the first one that I made. I'm going to be making another one to go with this one. This one I would like it to be just made simply from the glass beads. So what you're going to need is, these came from Dollar Tree, so you don't need nothing special, nothing really expensive. Of course you need clasps, closures. I'm going to be using crimps.
Mom,
hold on, honey.
pass your phone.
You can use a stretch cord, or you can use what is this, like a fishing line, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get started.